Welcome, in today's tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to set up the overall quality in Doom: The Dark Ages. So at first move to the settings, then find the tab where you can see the screen icon on it, then scroll down to the advanced settings. Then as you can see, first option will be overall quality slider. We can choose which quality overall we're gonna use while playing this game. For example, we can set Ultra Nightmare. As you can see, all of the additional options change to Ultra Nightmare. We will set up to low. They're gonna be low settings. That's all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!